Hello my YouTube friends! My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling and mixed media on a low budget. Today you will see me play with some new art supplies and just making a simple art journal page. My name is Ilona, better known on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook as Picture for Life. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling and mixed media on a low budget. Subscribe to my channel to follow me on my journey this year of exploring, learning, growing, having fun and playing. I make easy to follow process tutorial videos for art journaling and mixed media. My page today is all about love. I am playing here with some watercolor paper and my new liquid watercolors, and I bought them at a low budget store here in the Netherlands called Action. I'm just keeping it simple, just trying out how the colors are, doing some splattering. And after making a background, I stamped with this gorgeous heart stamp and cutting them out. And after I did that, I started coloring them with liquid watercolors. I'm starting with the lightest color because I wanted to see how the colors react together and if I layered them, what it would do. And when I'm finished, I'm popping the hearts up on pop dots and putting them on top of my stamped hearts so they are raised. I started stamping with some Versamark ink, and I have some black embossing powder that I poured over it. And I don't know what went wrong. the ink didn't take the powder that much. It kind of gets grainy and it looks kind of distressed, which actually was great because I wanted to make this page a little bit distressed. So I'm doing that on a few more places around to kind of create a border and a little bit more interest to my page. And then I'm adding a title. Taking some black gesso mixed with the stuff that I stencil with, and I applied it really thick just around the sides of my page, and then I dried it just a little so it was still a bit sticky, and then I stamped a few stamps directly into my gesso. Now the thing is, you really need to clean up your stamps right after because you don't want your gesso into your stamps. But it turned out okay. I cleaned up my stamps and with a little brush. Now I want to bring the stamped images to the front so you can see them. So I'm brushing on with my finger a little bit of intense color eye mousse, and it worked out great, as you see. So what turned out to be just a play ended up in a fun art journal page. So thank you so much for watching, have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back next week with a new video. Bye bye!